Have you ever noticed that some pork ribs are huge and greasy, while others are small and lean? Today, we're diving deep into the anatomy of the pig to explain exactly why spare ribs are so much fattier than their counterparts. To understand the fat difference, we must look at where these cuts actually come from on the animal. Baby back ribs are harvested from the upper portion of the rib cage near the spine, while spare ribs come from the lower section just above the belly. Because they are located closer to the pig's belly, spare ribs naturally contain more connective tissue and a thicker layer of fat. This anatomical position is the primary reason why this cut feels much larger and meatier than the tender back ribs. This extra fat isn't just surface grease. It includes significant marbling within the muscle. When cooked properly, this fat renders slowly, releasing savory juices that make the meat incredibly succulent and flavorful compared to the leaner back ribs. However, this high fat content comes with a trade-off. Spare ribs have more cartilage and require a longer cooking time. The robust structure means you need low and slow heat to break down that tough connective tissue into gelatin. If you prefer a leaner option, we recommend choosing loin backs, which are much smaller and contain less fat. But if you want that deep, smoky richness, the fat in spare ribs is essential for achieving the perfect texture at around 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Ultimately, the choice between these cuts boils down to your preference for fat and cooking time. Spare ribs offer a robust, fatty experience from the belly, while baby backs provide tenderness from the loin section. So now you know why your spare ribs are so rich and fatty compared to baby backs. Which cut do you prefer for your next barbecue? Let me know in the comments below.